Do you want to know how you can sign into your SoFi account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your SoFi or SoFi account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, and then search for SoFi Sign Up or SoFi Sign In. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of SoFi. Go ahead and click Login, which you can see on the top right hand side, and it will take you to the official login portal. What you need to do right now is write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address, go ahead and write down your password. You can check your password by clicking on this Show Password option. Then what you need to do is click Login. In a while, you can notice that you have been logged into your account. So go ahead and click Continue, and you can set up your account as well. So guys, this is how you sign into your SoFi account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.